Robot changes its own battery. A glimpse into the future. Imagine a world where robots are not just tools, but autonomous beings capable of performing tasks without human intervention. This is not a distant dream. It's becoming a reality, and it raises a crucial question. What role will humans play in a future dominated by machines? Self-sufficient robots. As we advance toward the future where humanoid robots could potentially take over various jobs, one of the significant challenges that developers face is the limitation of battery life. Recently, the Chinese company UBTECH showcased a remarkable feat with its bipedal robot, the Walker S2. In a groundbreaking demonstration, this 95-pound robot was seen skillfully swapping out its own battery pack, a feat that has been dubbed a world's first. This innovation means that the Walker S2 could theoretically operate around the clock, making it an essential component of fully automated dark factories, facilities that can function without any human presence or even lights. In the video, the Walker S2 approaches a battery rack and, with a series of intricate arm movements, replaces one of its two battery packs located on its back before continuing its tasks. This impressive display not only highlights the robot's capabilities, but also prompts some challenging questions about the future of human employment in an increasingly automated world. With robots already capable of preparing complex meals and efficiently sorting packages, one must wonder, if they can change their own batteries, what other jobs might soon be at risk? Around-the-clock operations. The batteries used by UBTECH's Walker S2 require just 90 minutes to recharge fully, allowing the robot to walk for 2 hours or remain stationary for up to 4 hours. This efficiency is part of a broader trend, as a surge of new humanoid robots is entering the market, particularly in China. Companies like UBTECH are developing more affordable bipedal androids, making this technology accessible to a wider range of industries. This isn't merely a concept for the future. Businesses are already beginning to integrate humanoid robots into their warehouses and factories. This shift signals a significant change in the workforce landscape, as the timeline for traditional factory jobs becoming obsolete accelerates. The fact that these robots are now learning to replace their own batteries suggests that the era of manual labor in factories could be nearing its end. Engage with us. As we witness these advancements in robotics, it's essential to consider the implications for human workers. Are we ready for a future where machines can perform tasks that were once exclusively human? What does this mean for job security and the nature of work itself? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree that the rise of self-sufficient robots could threaten traditional jobs? Or do you believe there will always be a place for human workers? Let's discuss. Meet the Walker S2, the humanoid robot that swaps its own batteries. Imagine a future where robots never need to stop working. No more plugging in, no more downtime. UBTECH is revolutionizing the game with the Walker S2, the world's first humanoid robot capable of autonomous battery swapping. But here's where it gets really interesting. This robot can switch out its own batteries on the fly, ensuring nearly 24/7 operation without interrupting its tasks. Traditionally, robots in the workforce faced a significant challenge. They required frequent recharging, which meant downtime. The concept of battery swapping, popularized in electric vehicles, allows the quick replacements of depleted batteries with fully charged ones. UBTECH is applying this principle to humanoid robots, making the Walker S2 a game-changer in industrial automation. The Walker S2 features dual battery compartments located in its back. When the power in one battery starts to dwindle, the robot can navigate to a designated battery swap station within an industrial setting. There, using specialized tool attachments on its arms, it can remove the exhausted battery and insert a freshly charged one. This process happens autonomously, minimizing disruption to its workflow. In the demonstration video, it appears that the robot's dexterous hands, designed for intricate tasks on production lines, were temporarily modified for the battery swapping demonstration. However, in its final form, the Walker S2 will likely incorporate a mechanism that allows it to perform both battery swaps and its primary functions seamlessly. This adaptation ensures that the robot can maintain its versatility and efficiency in various industrial environments. The implications of this technology are profound. With the ability to swap batteries on its own, the Walker S2 can operate continuously, significantly boosting productivity. The swap stations, strategically placed throughout the factory, will recharge the batteries, ensuring a constant supply of power. The only downtime the robot will experience is the short period needed to move to a swap station, exchange batteries, and return to its assigned task. Moreover, these swap stations will monitor the health of each battery. Any batteries showing signs of declining performance can be flagged for replacement by maintenance personnel, ensuring optimal operational efficiency. UBTECH hasn't provided detailed specifications about the Walker S2 yet, but we can infer some features based on existing models. For instance, the robot is likely to use vision cameras at its head to identify fully charged batteries, guiding the swapping process autonomously. Standing approximately 170 centimeters tall, the Walker S2 is designed to mimic human movement, making it a versatile addition to any production line. The video offers a glimpse of its face, featuring a color display beneath the sensor array, which provides real-time status updates to human colleagues. Additionally, there's an emergency shutdown button located at the back, a safety feature included in many humanoid robots. While the full specifications, pricing, and availability details are yet to be announced, the Walker S2 represents a significant leap forward in robotic autonomy and efficiency. As we await more information from UBTECH Robotics, one thing is clear. This technology has the potential to transform how robots operate in industrial settings. What do you think about the future of autonomous battery swapping in robotics? Could this technology lead to even more advanced forms of automation? Share your thoughts in the comments. China's revolutionary Walker S2, world's first 24/7 autonomous humanoid robot. A groundbreaking innovation in robotics is turning heads across the globe. Imagine a machine that never stops, ready to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because it can change its own battery without a human ever touching it. This is exactly what China's UBTECH has achieved with the Walker S2, a humanoid robot poised to redefine autonomous operation. The Walker S2 stands at about 5 feet 3 inches, 162 centimeters, and tips the scales at roughly 95 pounds, 43 kilograms, which is similar to the size and weight of a small adult. The robot is powered by a sophisticated dual battery system built on a 48-volt lithium battery. With this innovative setup, the Walker S2 is capable of walking for as long as 2 hours or standing idle for 4 hours before it needs a power boost. Once its battery is drained, a full recharging cycle takes only 90 minutes. But here's where it gets controversial. Unlike other robots that require human assistance for maintenance, the Walker S2 can autonomously carry out a complete battery swap. In recent promotional footage released on YouTube on July 17, the robot can be seen approaching a dedicated battery charging station. Facing away from the station, it gracefully uses its arms to remove its depleted battery pack, deposits it into an empty charging slot, and then retrieves a recharged battery to power itself back up. This self-sufficient system is touted by UBTECH representatives as a world first, highlighting a significant leap in robotics technology. The Walker S2 isn't just about battery swapping. It is smart enough to monitor its own energy levels and decide when to either swap its battery or opt for recharging, depending on the will.